Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 for visible by Verizon. So as I'm recording this video, the Galaxy S23 is up for pre-order. So when this video goes live on YouTube, the phone will be available for you guys to purchase. So y'all guys will have a phantom black color version, 2 storage options, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage. So that's pretty good. So this is the Galaxy S23. Y'all guys have your power button bam keys on the right side of the phone there. Your whole point straight front facing camera there, earpiece above that. Right side, like I said, power button bam keys. So yeah, pretty cool. I think this is the right side here, and you guys can see how thick it is there. So pretty good there on like grip and whatnot. On the back of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S23. My bad. You guys have your triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo and whatnot. And like I said, you do have 2 storage options, 128 gigs for $7.99 for retail price, or 256 gigs, $8.59 for retail price. It's $33.29 for 24 months on the 128 gigabyte version, or it's $35.79 for 24 months on the 256 gigabyte version. Alright. You guys should get insurance for your phone. So it says here, meet the Samsung Galaxy S23, the phone that takes you out of the everyday and into the epic. Life doesn't wait for perfect lighting, but with night photography, you are always ready to seize the moment and snap memories like a pro. See your content no matter the time of day on the display with the refresh rate up to 120 Hz and adaptive vision booster. Capture and create in rich detail, and then use quick share to share across devices without losing quality. Move past the mundane and embrace epic power of the Samsung Galaxy S23. Says best for the member who pursued self-expression as social natives. Okay. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. This is a 5G compatible device running on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you are on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Alright. Specs: 6.1 inch display, full HD plus. That y'all guys will have a flat display on this one. The Galaxy S23 weighs 5.92 ounces. Dimensions: 5.75 inches height, 2.79 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. It takes a physical SIM card or eSIM, so you do have options there. Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide optical image stabilization, autofocus f1.8 aperture, 10 megapixel telephoto camera, 3 times optical zoom, autofocus f2.4 aperture, and then you guys will have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is fixed focus and f2.2 aperture, 12 megapixel front facing camera with autofocus and f2.2 aperture, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, octa-core chipset, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage, battery 3900 milliamps, fingerprint and facial recognition, 5G sub-6. You do have roaming in the box. In the box you guys have your Galaxy S23, data cable Type-C to Type-C, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and some ejection pin. There is no charger in the box. You guys will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one. If you guys want to learn more about the Galaxy S23, I will have that link down below as well, so check that out. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is now here at Visible by Verizon. It's available now in the Phantom Black color, and that's the only color that Visible has currently. You guys have two storage options: 128 gigs for $7.99, 256 gigs $8.59. So check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.